Hello friend, welcome to CG video tutorial. My name is Shandip Bashak and thanks for finding me. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to add texture, shading, lighting in this scene. In my first part of this video tutorial, we taught you how to draw an image and turn into 3D model. So let's go to start menu, type Blender, enter and open your existing file. First, change your render engine, Blender render to cycle render. Then add a ground. I make this ground to adding a plane. To add this plane mesh, just go to the add menu, mesh, and add plane. For shortcut technique, just do shift plus A, press shift plus A, directly you go to the add menu and then you can add any type. Now you focus your eyeball to this point. What I am doing using my keyboard, just left click, right click and scroll. Just press the enter and change my plane dimension. Is the dimension, change it 6.817, 6.817. Press N again to hide the panel. Then we add a light. For add this light, this is the 3D cursor, keep your 3D cursor always in center. For center your 3D cursor, just press shift plus S, then cursor to center and add for light we are adding a circle. Change the fill type and gone. Go to the property panel and change the dimension to, okay, it already been 2, so grab it up in Z-axis, go to the side view, ortho view, rotate it and X-axis, just rotate in X-axis, then go to side view, ortho view, name this circle key light. To duplicate this circle, shift D, then release, enter, drag it in y-axis, rotate in x-axis, press X. Okay, then grab it on y-axis, and change the name fill light. Save the file. This is a 3D viewport, and this scene is we are looking through camera viewfinder. This is the real world scene. To see this scene through the camera, so add camera, go to the add menu, or directly in shortcut rules press shift A and add a camera. If you want to the scene position just like this, so scene position just like this, camera already been added. Just this is the, if you want to make these scenes like this, or like this, or like this, or like this, just set your scene, then press Ctrl plus Alt plus numerical 0. Okay, so select the camera, go to property panel, and focal length change to 40 for create a less noise and render. If you use to focal length 28 or 35, this can create a more noise. To less noise, we change the focal length just 40, 50, 60. So now I'm going to add shading. You're seeing the this is the gold like shading, and this is the steel like shading. For adding shading, just wireframe mode, select the target object, go to the new, click the new and type gold new, press enter. Now I'm gonna use node editor to create a new shader. To go to node editor, just click here and node editor. For taking the color, just open the Inkscape, add a just activate this and then activate this. This is a word and this is a object. Diffuse to add any node, go to the add menu. You can add everything from here: input, output, shader like glossy shader, glass shader, transparent, anisotropy, vector, convert, group. Anything you can add from here. So shortcut, press shift plus A, then press S and then type glossy. To delete this, just press X. Glossy. Just roughness, change the roughness 0.5. Then duplicate it, shift plus D to duplicate same node, and change the roughness 0.2. Change the mode Beckman, change the mode to Beckman. Now for gold like, just double click here. We use the color hex number. Copy this number, go to the color hex and paste it here. Let's go to the color and hex number and paste here. You can gain accurately color simulation to your object. So now I'm gonna add mix RGB. Mix shader, editor, and the surface. This type. Duplicate this mix, shift D, leave it here, then duplicate this glossy, keep it here, now change the color, more light, just copy the color code and paste it here. Okay, drag it and leave it there. and change the roughness 0.02. Now add a wet layer. Shift plus A, then press S, then type, you can type anything, Fresnel, you can type Fresnel, wet layer, I'll add here wet layer, facing, and change the this wet layer, blend the two shader. If you disconnect it, just mix the two color. For adding a layer weight, just it is a blending. Just blend the two color. So glossy, press Shift A, then press S, anisotropy. Yes, press Ctrl C, press Ctrl V to add this. The glossy is not good. So make it cam, roughness 0.02, anisotropy 0.9. So delete it. Yes, okay. This is anisotropy. If you find this anisotropy is for more anisotropy. This is the change the. Okay, this is the gold like shader. Now press B, the box select, press Ctrl C, copy this node, same node. Now we create a still like shader. So add this object, create, click here and rename this material still new and just Ctrl V. Delete. What I am now doing, just follow this. Just change the color hex code E7. This is the default color, or 0.5. Copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, then again Ctrl V. Roughness 0.02. Okay, still like. Now ground. select the ground object and go to the material property panel, add a new and type as the ground new plane and type the name ground. Delete it and add a glossy material. So to add in shortcut, shift plus A, then press S, then type glossy. Add in surface, go to the inks cap, just change the color. Choose this color node and paste here. Six 3131. Now I'm gonna add a fill light. So go to the material property panel, in material section, click the new material button and type fill light fill. Change, delete, press X, press shift plus A, then press S, then add emission. Just change the strength. To add the same material in this object, the shortcut rules is just select the first object, then select this object and press Ctrl L and click the material. So it automatically add the material in last selection, last selected object. This object is the shortcut rule. Now set the render setting and go to the render setting. For go to the render panel. One thing is more, and I'm gonna go to the world. So go to the world, just world texture. This is the material texture and this is the world texture. Just select, this is the material panel and this is the material and the world. this is my default world is dark gray. Then I'm gonna change it. So add it, shift plus A, then press S, checker. Just change the light gray into black and scale size up to 10. Then add a sky texture. This is the scene in night. So this is the world in noon, world in evening, and just starting the night. This is the checker world. Now mix the sky and checker node with mix RGB. Now to hide the checker in the world, so add shift A plus press S, light path. Now I'm gonna add and I'm gonna just camera. So you cannot see the checker texture. To hide the checker texture, just hide the checker texture in from camera view. Just add the light path and each camera ray. Just connect it in the mix fact. Again select this mix, and again duplicate, shift D, duplicate this path, hide it, now to add more gloss in this objects in my still, to add more gloss in my still, is reflection ray. Use the reflection ray. Hide it. Yes, this is the world shader. So let's go for setting the render. Go to the render section, change the resolution 100%, and you may change this dimension into 2 or into 2 or 3. Just into 2. RGB compression, the default compression was 15 and you change it, percentage is 90. Set it as a PNG. You can set this image TIFF, Targa. PNG is okay. And now sampling 300, preview 10. Just set the clamp, the default value of clamp was 0. I'm changing the clamp value 5, and go to the light path panel, change the maximum 4, minimum 2, diffuse 12, glossy 12, transmission 1, volume 1. Check the shadow, check reflective and refractive, and leave the all setting as default. Press 0 to view. Now go to render preview. Render preview. Select the camera, press N, and lock the camera view. You can control the camera to your view. Just select the roller and drag. Scrolling to zoom, then render preview. To shortcut render preview, Shift plus J. Okay, press Shift plus Z. Now go to the render. This is the render layer panel. Select the passes, pass out. Select the glossy direct, and select Z buffer. If you use GPU, just change the 256 by 256. But this system I have no GPU, so I keep it 6464. For GPU machine, to add GPU in render, just go to the user preference, go to the system. You can compute device, you can see your system here, just CPU and GPU. Just select the GPU, and then close it. You can see here the GPU, just here the CPU and GPU. Just select this GPU. Just okay, and for render, just click here, render. Okay, for save the image, go to the image menu and save as image, or directly you can press F function F3. Save the image and name, and then press here. This was the combine image, and glossy direct. To save it, just press function F3 and file name and press to save here. Combine glossy. Now for pre-processing, I'm gonna use a GIMP. So select this image, right click, open GIMP. This is the GIMP GNU image manipulating program, like Photoshop for pre-processing. I'm using a GIMP. So select the layer, go to the color menu, select curve, then hit the OK button, then duplicate it. Duplicate, select the layer, then select the duplicate button. Check this layer and rename gray, hit enter, then go to the color menu and click desaturated, click on the luminosity, then hit OK, then go to mode into overlay. It's so dark, so decrease the opacity. Okay, next this layer, rename it original. So select this original layer, go to color menu, select hue and saturation, and increase the saturation value. Okay, hit enter. Now create a empty layer. To create an empty layer, click this icon, or you can go to the layer menu and new layer and type here blue glow. To more creativity, click the gradient tool, then foreground color, and use blue, then hit OK and choose the linear, radial and foreground to transparent. Click your cursor here and drag here. Now leave the mouse. Second we try. Okay, and move to overlay. And now increase the opacity. Okay, now I'm gonna add a vignette. To add a vignette, go to the tool menu, use easel operation. Go down and use vignette. Just leave the default value and hit OK. Now image is ready. Now press the Ctrl plus Shift plus E or Command plus Shift plus E to your Apple operating system. Save it. Final. Hit enter. Export. It has been done. So like this video, share this video, and do not forget to hit subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you again.